fuck is it? Is it finally here?
Mail day. And a recent pickup. I'm going to start with that, go on a bit of a rant. So we have the Burning 4K from Scream Factory. As you can see, it says Collector's Edition. But slipcover art matches the cover art. No alternative cover. And we just get the Blu-ray and the 4K disc. No booklet, no poster, none of that. And in Canada, these are typically $40 to $50. I lucked out and snagged that one for $33. It's still fucking retarded, considering what they cost down in the States. Now, with that cost in mind, you can go on over to Vinegar Syndrome, buy a special edition, a collector's edition, something like, let's say, A Blade in the Dark. You got this thick ass box that opens diagonally, cool fucking gore. Get a booklet. And then you get another slip cover. Which none of the art resembles the outer box. Then we have the actual case. Then we get the 4K disc. A second 4K disc. And two Blu-rays. Here and here. And all that is about the same price as a Shout Factory release. Another example. The VSU line. Get the thick magnetic box. Opens up with the slab there. Little ribbon to pull everything out. Another slip cover. Got the 4K and two Blu-rays. Yeah, and the second Blu-ray is just chock full of extras. And also a book. And it's all inside of this fancy schmancy awesome packaging. And these typically run about $40, $45. It's still cheaper than Shout Factory, and you're getting a lot more. Oh, fuck, I fucked that up. So, that being said, I don't know why I still continue to buy Shout Factory releases when they are bare minimum releases and they're disguised as, not even disguised, they're fucking shit. And they're labeled as collector's editions. Complete and utter bullshit. So, now, enough of that bitching. Let's get on to the mail. This is another package from Yan, Maestro Chaos, releasing Deadly Pleasures movies. Oh boy. Yeah, I'll take some finger placement here so I don't get the big ban. So the first disc is 3 flicks with a bonus 4th. We've got the Demon of the Mind, Black Mass, Wraith's Play, and the bonus Fuck Sabbath. And up next we have the Morgue. And this one has Dark Butcher 2 and Roadkill. Ah, shit. Little clip is busted in the case, so well, I've got replacements. And again, Yan packs with packing peanut and inside of sleeve so that you don't have to worry about shit getting dislodged, fucking scratching up on the way to your place. As we all know how lovely the mail is. So there's your disc art for the Morgue disc. Let's just fucking read it off real quick. The secret and forbidden chamber of the darkest human desire. A morgue full of living beauty. The place where cold gets in your bones and the lust is pumping in your veins so much it makes them glow white. The mad worker desecrates the remains during his night shift. He picks his victims carefully and then uses all the orifices. They are young, beautiful, and most importantly, helpless. What is on the menu tonight? Would you fancy a teenager, old with natural tits and tight asshole, or a tattooed MILF with a good-smelling pussy? One is more tempting than the other. Cold beauty does not forgive, though, and tonight's shift is going to be the last one. The time to repent the sins is here. Fucking A. So that's the Morgue. And then the disc art for the other one. The Demon of the Mind. We have read Necronomicon and summoned a monster, a fierce demon that is all over her, pure evil that hates people with all its damned soul. The furious demon grabbed my schoolmate in his claws, and as in his lair, he desecrated her body with his massive cock and sucked her soul out. This is the end of the world. We open the gate for demons and let the hell enter the earth. Black Mass. In nomine di nostri Satanis Luciferi excelsi. The black ritual to summon Satan has begun. A fallen priest, the mad servant of the Dark Lord, is calling his name and fuck with the sacrificed ones, reciting the dark prayers and impregnating 3 virgins with his dark semen. Satan himself will enter these innocent girls and burn his mark 666 into their souls. The Armageddon is here. Ave Satanas. Wraith's Play. Welcome to the other side of paradise. Here, the terrible bones, the immortal, the nightmare of all beautiful virgins, reign supreme. A ritual wedding ceremony is about to take place in the presence of 2 immaculate bridesmaids and a bride-to-be who has not yet known the hardness of a man. The gorgeous blonde will forever be united with her fearsome groom through her narrow anal, into which Bones will thrust his giant cock and release the devil's seed. As a wedding gift, the bride receives a facial mask of hot wax. The one that his bony claws capture will never return. The wedding night of black magic begins. And then the bonus disc, Fuck Sabbath, doesn't have a description written, but god damn, these sound fucking great. And once again, there's the cover. Censored for YouTube safety. Well, my channel safety, really. And yeah, that's going to wrap up this unboxing. Once again, fuck Shout Factory, Scream Factory's collector's editions. Like, they're good enough releases, but for what they're charging as a collector's item is fucking bullshit. Yeah. I don't know what else to say, but thanks for fucking watching, folks. Stay fucking sleazy. Peace.